mama mo bibia kwa babiem emfamra ASTV braso say yetena fe yede agudie mu nsema ya to ne din sa adwen passport ebro enso e osimaduasa edi animu ene fiada thank God is Friday no de boni ebe kan se na de be ka cho no French ni say Dieu si se vendredi na se ene fiada thank God is Friday sema do pi ene aboabo no ayede ebro na uwram e wa amano ni nsem no ma ye bebe athletics na yakọ akopie mu IAAF championship eba so Doha Qatar 2019 SMP na efimu enso eba Ethiopia ni ababa wa bia waje ne din pa no ne honsem aba enso athletics no ye de honsem enso ebeba uwram a na say various European major leagues no 5 major leagues no matches outdoor to also after Champions League no and Europa League no matches outdoor p Barcelona weekend SMP and efi games no and so ba no achi no ebewram na afi akwa pie mu and so other issues e ba no transfer issues and in some outdoor and also pie mu any adia e de ho SMP and so brew any adia ntino only a betna simaduase dia ni mina fe the woman nano yetimi enso e dia bro medin as usual any akoto frimpon say institute
meshimedin ene boatin jamfi man of report my visam e wa ha baby jet asamojan agwakopi mu e interview bisa se oko article kumbagia ana se e view e won sem e bro sanso ne no no Richmond ayi ene yakasa ele afa e under 23 team home sanso na kofi wayo enra unya court no ana wanya nko emu chirimo ayede bebrew sanso na Bono East United weekend omo ejina kono ene nsema hodo pi ene yede ebesomo e wa fisem
edru fiada ayaye efi adwuma enti oni entena obeti fie SMP enso Bono East and around yede honsem na enso ebetima bro nemom sene de bia ya no obefa numbers a egu screens na semo na afi won so afi onem rantie ne kwadwokumsen ene na bedwafo ebetena sebo sene de bia kanu no aha nika hene ponk hene na afi Lacoste hene bia hene canvas hene combat hene na afi fie hene na hene aha bibia baby odi no beji na bia so etimi akon ni ade se se o sa ya bro be hene sa no mu rantie eti abusiafo mu fa numbers na egu screens na se no na afi money Ericus Darling enso eni nkomo na afi ura no officer on sheda anya kuntan bia usia na ase
yo bia
na bia yo aha nye bia o ti ase
height ni
aha nti onni di nkomo akakra bi na bibia so atimi akonkan abusiafo yen sensem na se enfan free mikato mu athletics ene ye ni chenche IAAF International Association of Athletics Federation omo championship ne baso Qatar Doha 2019 na de tiene sa baba wa ni din ene Genzebe Dibaba ono efi Ethiopia ono na uremu a 1500 meters oye world record holder mana fam wano enso edina kotene mu yepa na ensema eba ene se ababa wano se sia me no kasai wano anya fourth injury na se ne nan a yede hye mpabwa mu ede tumrika na baba wano wanya problem doctors a diagnose nyame adoma IAAF championship eba so Doha 2019 no ontumi enkobi wa pull out doctors etimi ruling out se ababa wano nya de se obetimi etumrika enso katamemu 2019 media and also about social so said 27th September ekosi 2nd October and a media no baso wakopra nti ontimi ntumrika ni bi enso on penny for de atudwa se ababawa no otumrika ni bi a wanhwe anenan no ebeduru no ebi na wakwakoya amputated ye bekwa akotene nan enso de afi oni akofre na amputi enti no onya abotre na onunum nudo nubuna ene de ekeka ho na se de be a no ho betimi ato no na afi watimi akọ next championship ti say Ethiopia for na East Africa for na Africa for bi man ene obi a opem dikatu obi ano ye hwe ani musa baba ne din ene Genzebe Dibaba now they say obetime tumrika ni bi after say ono etime ko tumrika Zurich Diamond League no doctors etime diagnose no say ontime tumrika and so IAAF championship so Qatar Doha 2019 no ono say the osia yora and now they say be no and so
Abusafo yensa fi sem na say enfam free a general captain Edema the senior soccer team the Blasters of Ghana metre Baby Jet Asamoah in paper makers Abrante etono pa bi enani atre India bonten so a Bobo kwa ni team at the end of East United ho and to say Abrante the general Asamoah akopia wa go si akan enso e de amo mo shano so 2014 and Abubuku yete ya where Indian Super League no ma 2018-2019 semi-finals. Hello, Mutimi Edru ya. Omo eto so and 9 Jude. General captain Edema Blasters of Ghana Samoa is India and Wakaku Pima or Wakusia Kai as so no more. North United 2014 and the 3 years as an NTBasa.
Oh yes, on say Asamoah will be a both a banner say national now for now crown as a Chinueka crown or say Kwasi and Asamoah wine and I say goes to do the Blasters of Ghana near their bats. They say Obiaton was a baby jet and all the most goes for the Blasters and near the end. Okay, from junior size, who remo Liberty Professionals. Our academy and near the way back now. Don't you say a branch on our one more dear banner identity for now, no. Why
England of course Sunderland they'll be in Samoa giant one more dian the group and so money.
And the TN say why do you beat me be our top flight football because for now I say of fit Turkey now
say what England about France and I about Turkey and I think so called China
about Italy
yes
I
said
baby I think say for now no kakra or the baby can baby jet to kakra there that about what you say
China India
or China na say or India na make a choice say so you be away up and coming there India na recommendable say bia obeko India kwa game and also kwa as a professional footballer na opese we bibi afi na bia wo hwe say yem fro national team na de India de wa we likia say yen say down mo na de but for now Asamoah looking at his age any the wire man national team any even club size any ade no I think say for now ebia dollars kakra me ade betima pie any ade nti onfa hom kwajeje na ni kakra na later say no wadi kan aka say obewie game of boy local football especially Asante Kotoko and even say bia anya Kotoko kra ebia Liberty bia ba bi ofini ade no I think say onkoye active kakra o na on family local league no mabunti me de many Asamoah ni problem bia no say when yes ka be boana because Basilica the baby jet only the $3 million near at least.
No, you can't think that so the Basilica.
And say if you may boat cry a bit to my doom maybe. Ebi Obama no so camera won't me be what you say any idea until do time be also now okoye ikakra na wonya bibi na kra di kofi any idea na say be akira no any nanu mo aka che what you say enti Asamoah de me ni problem dia onko no peka kra
so ko dia bi no ne tanu no ne kukumba dia fo ne be hwe abom
yo ne be hwe abom India bi ono ne hwe
the baby jet Asamoah
okay abusiafo ye nto aso ewa amanoni nsem no na afie nkopie mu enso ewo major European leagues no 5 major leagues nyame adoma weekend e sha ase anwumre match saudo ebekoso ewo EPL afi La Liga Santander obewremu ewo German Bundesliga na afi Remo Italian Serie A na afi French Ligue match saudo p enso ebekoso nyame adoma adwada ye ba ebeba abechro match saudo ekoso na afi send a table so no na afi results no enso esiete na enwremu ewo UEFA Europa League no afi na there's a group stages no matches no enso etimi start send here there's Champions League games no starting and uremo Europa League na say and a group stages no matches no match day 1 and also CFA Cluj omotina fishe mi no ema Lazio ete kanumba 2-1 and a Cluj and so etimi din kun get tefi ehye ba ko Trabzonspor and so entumi and FC Basel she num papa bi ema Kuban Krasnodar from Russia ɔmo nso ɛntumi ante FC Copenhagen ɛhyɛ baako Lugano ɛntumi ante Karabakh ɛtena fie ɛma Sevilla ɛhyɛ ɔmo ka mmiɛnsa ɔmo nso ɛntumi ante Stade Rennais from France ɔmo tena fie ɛhyɛ baako ma Celtic ɛnso efi ɔmo ayɛ ne din ɛne Scotland ɔmo nso ɛte kan 1-1 ɛna ɛno nso ɛtumi ekɔpiem Wolfsburg Germany ɔmo hyɛ 3 ɛma Alexandria from Ukraine ɛnso ɛte kan baako 3-1 ɛna ɛno nso ekɔpiem Rangers ɛhyɛ baako Feyenoord Rotterdam ɛntumi ante Slovan Bratislava ɛhyɛ 9-4 ɛna afei Besiktas from Turkey ɔmo nso ɛte kan mmienu 4-2 ɛna ɔmo ayɛ ne din anase tima ne din ɛnso ɛne Slovan Bratislava ɛnso etimi edi nkonim Partizan Belgrade ɛhyɛ mmienu ɛma AZ Alkmaar ɛnso ɛte kan 2-2 ɛna ekɔpiem Gent ɛnso ɛtena fie ɛwɔ Belgium ɛhyɛ mmiɛnsa ɛma Saint Etienne ɛte kan mmienu 3-2 ɛna ɛno nso ekɔpiem Wolves ɛtena fie ɛwɔ England ɛma Sporting Braga ɛte ɛhyɛ baako ɛma ɔman anase tima ne din ɛne Wolves ɔmo nso ɛntumi ante Ludogorets Razgrad ɔmo nso ɛtena fie hyɛ num papa bi ɛma tima ne din ne CSKA Moscow CSKA Moscow ɔmo te kanum baako Manchester United ɛhyɛ baako Old Trafford Atalanta ɔmo nso anase Astana from Kazakhstan ɔmo ɛntumi ante Roma ɛhyɛ mmiɛnsa ɛma Istanbul Başakşehir ɔmo nso ɛntumi ante na afei Borussia Mönchengladbach ɔmo ɛhyɛ mmiɛnsa ɛma Wolfsburg ɔmo fi Austria ɔmo nso ɛte kanum baako 3-1 ɛna ɛno nso etimi ɛkɔkɔpiem FC Porto ɔmo tena fie Portugal ɛma PSC Young Boys ɔmo efi Switzerland ɔmo te kanum baako Espanyol 1 Ferencvaros ɔmo efi Hungary ɔmo nso ɛte kan 1-1 ɛna ɛkɔkɔpiem Dynamo Kiev ɔmo nso ɛhyɛ baako ɛma Malmö FF ɛntumi ante Eintracht Frankfurt ɔmo tena fie ma Arsenal the Gunners ɛkɔhyɛ ɔmo ka mmiɛnsa papa bi ɛma Arsenal so ɔmo ɛnso ɛhyɛ mmiɛnsa ma Eintracht Frankfurt ɛntumi ante Standard Liège ɛhyɛ mmienu Vitória FC from Portugal ɔmo ɛntumi atena afei Apoel Nicosia ɔmo hyɛ mmiɛnsa ɛma Dortmund FC ɔmo efi Luxembourg ɔmo ɛhyɛ 9 na ɛsɛ 4-3 ɛna Dortmund from Luxembourg ɔmo hyɛ ya Apoel Nicosia nora ɔmo di amanfo akokɔ papa ɛnya asɛm ketu akwafikesi mfo no ɛnora sɛneɛ Apoel Nicosia si di ɔmo akokɔ no ɛnya asɛm ketu akwa PSV Eindhoven ɔmo so tena fie hyɛ mmiɛnsa ɛma Sporting Lisbon from Portugal ɛnso ɛte mu mmienu na afei Lask from Austria ɔmo nso ɛhyɛ baako a Luxembourg ɛnso ɛntumi ante no ɛyɛ UEFA Europa League no first round of matches ɛwɔ group stages no sɛne nsɛm no ɛnso esi ɛkɔɛ no Manchester United
maybe United ne
Astana amo fi Kazakhstan ɛhɔ na Ghana ni abrante Patrick Tumesi ɛhɔ na osi akan amo fi Kazakhstan Astana there be Astana.
All right.
Tiabusu afo yenko na yenko hwese ne matches no enso esi ekoy.
Watch. Sets up a lot, scores a few as well. Gibrilso straight. Saka to gets a deep ball in. Torreira's got a great chance and fluffs his lines. Oh my goodness, what an opportunity for Arsenal.
It's a great ball from Saka to the back post. Didn't bounce up in front of him.
Andre Silva and Mustafi in collision, and the distinct. The Sebe to launch this one forward.
Mid-throw, and the keeper sprawls and saves. Good work by Xhaka. Here to deal with it, pleasing young Saka. Touch took it away from the defender. The cross looked for Aubameyang. It was a decent cross, and he's playing well, the youngster. 10 minutes to go in the first half. He's found. They get another scalp here tonight. Kamada with the corner kick, and headed just wide by Dost. That's why he's in the team. Wilakazala gets a shot away. It's deflected. It's in Arsenal lead. Really important goal. Swung in and hits the bar, and I think he was going for it. Here's Saka. Low centre of gravity. Again, composure, no fear. Kolasinac into the middle off Intiak. Did well. Ended up by Chan. Bukayo Saka. Foul. And a car for Kerr, which means he has to go. Saka is going to go for it. And that's brilliant! And that caps a brilliant display by Arsenal's 18-year-old. A rueful smile by his manager. The victory is complete. And complete satisfaction in this 18-year-old given his chance tonight. First appearance of the campaign. And Camille, it's given away, and Saka finds Aubameyang, and he finds the back of the net.
From Gomez lands in a great area. Seen Rojo play a wonderful ball. This one was slightly fortunate. It was unintended, you can see. Well, if he's tried that, it's a wonderful ball. I don't think he has. Rashford watches the flight of the ball. Brilliant cross from Rojo. Left foot outswing it. Just look at Rashford play on the shoulder. Yeah, definitely offside there. Young, stretching. Just watch this turn now. Beautiful turn from
Greenwood. Wants to come inside, goes on the outside. And gets the breakthrough and creates a special moment for the 17-year-old. His first ever senior goal. And only his second experience of European football. And finally.
Lançamento para Danilo, de esquerda. Alex Telles, da primeira. À procura de Mateus Uribe. Da equipa cruza de qualquer lado.
Sim, a equipa suíça, repara, desse lado mais...
Vai à procura de Soares. Boa chance para o Porto e para Soares. Está a encontrar-se com a baliza. Uma grande oportunidade e está o primeiro gol da noite. Aos 8 minutos da partida, Soares marca o primeiro da temporada com a camisola do Futebol Clube do Porto.
Estreia-se a marcar. Soares chamado à titularidade. É um excelente trabalho de Soares, cabeça fria. Decidiu, arrumou os adversários e depois fuzilou, fazendo 1-0 para o Porto.
São quase 0 ao avançado.
Sim, exatamente.
Mau sinal, no caso. Parte ali quando...
Apenas Mazembe e que Young Boys contratou de boa bola aqui.
E vai aparecer com perigo a equipa do Young Boys no ataque. E está apontado pontapé de penalti a favor da equipa na Suíça aos 13 minutos da partida. Basicamente, na primeira vez que Sami apostar. O duelo Sami marca assim. Tem gol para os suíços. Está estabelecida então a igualdade ainda dentro do primeiro quarto de Corona. Bola de novo em Tiago. Volta à Corona, é uma grande oportunidade para o Futebol Clube do Porto. E está feito o 2-0. Soares é o nome do gol, de novo do Dragão.
É um grande desenho ofensivo que começa com aquela arrancada de Soares. Ele começa no corredor esquerdo a desenhar o gol do Porto, o segundo gol do Porto da noite.
Sim, o primeiro toque de Soares
Abusafo yɛtɔ nsɛm nso de ama yɛkɔpie mu ɛwɔ aberanteɛ ne din de Richmond ayi ɛnka no si akan ɛnso de ma titima city pepra makers si akan de ma Hafteful Corner Dago ɛnso de ma ɔmo na nso am sɛ wokɔpie mu ɛwɔ under 23 Black Meters of Ghana yɛatɔ nsa de afɛ no ate sɛ qualified matches a abia bo nyina no ɔnso di ma akɔte ne papaapa Richmond ayi akasa sɛ n'ani agye sɛ mpanyinfoɔ nya gyigye ɔno mu a wɔtɔ nsa frɛ nso nso bɛde fɛdeɛ na ɔnsi akan ɛmfama under 23 Richmond ayi
Ghana they are player bi ani so dun ze obenya call up to national team so na ebe minya ma ho a to minya da call up no ko na mani agent
woni coaches no any players no in terms na city bibia ko kama training ye no niama e ko so kama
compato bibia ko so kama nkomo di bibia kama
ma Ibrahim Tanko ne Michael say say no city e wo camp no mo ye adwuma
o omo ye papa omo tuyemfo omo enko nje nya bebre omo kache because omo bobi e wo no ma tra ho omo ni terrain no ti de bia futo no de ma yense na aboa ya ma bibia ye so so mai
ene ma be na mo hia e wo camp
no the answer ya na ebe share e nkran because ye ma ye yourself any family ni nation no because ebe àwọn wa se o ebe ka say which money mu era na Ghana ko say ntinya no e so ya become motivate and from very motivate
mini say mo team no mu hia bibia wo mu for now say bibia no no ma hia mo ne mu hia bia mpanfo no de ama mo ti da na say
yes nya bia coaches no ya den edima ya dia kan nya de ebe ja management no mo na be di mu juma mai
now we need smart Richmond ayi so edito yenimo
yento aso amono ni nsem no na afie nkopie mo Manchester United be kara Brantia ni din ene Patrice Evra wa boy adwuma e de ama Manchester United bobo ko ni pa na ode nsem pia to dwa be kara papa ni din enso ene Sir Alex Chapman Ferguson ono e free ho as a head coach enso e de ma Manchester United no coach Saudo P ena aba bobo ko no ma papa ni din ene David Moyes ono aba Louis van Gaal aba Jose Mourinho enso ababesenko na papa ni din ene Ole Gunnar Solskjaer ono so ababesenko na Patrice Evra e de nsem atudwa se Manchester United bobuko no se kwa enkoye ene se frequent changes of coaches eno ekoso e obobuko no eno ena entimi emwa ema bobuko no performance entimi enko efise Manchester United omunim se coach ba otimi tena enye kura na nye be emfie num ana se ko mfie du enso empotem nemom sisi a one ye kasei coaches no after Alex Ferguson no obia ba emfie mienu afi baako emfie mienu ebia bosumi nsiane ade ne apam no eno ena emwa ema Manchester United enso entimi enko efise coach bia ba ona dwene ene nim dia ode ba o players opeso betima yusu omu ama omu nso etimi akọ omonim anase omatima boa ama bobo kwa ndi ni Manchester United enso akonkodin akonanim to on there ogidi se frequent changes of coaches eno na emwa ema Manchester United bobo ko no enkonen Patrice Evra eno ene nsema ono nso etimi aka ede afa Manchester United
abusa for year can return ayi and some fans medical catch was say kan enso ele ma has to folk en wakasa ele fa team no say o say there enema ekoye ele ma has team ni papa especially coach waba besu team Kem Grant also boy djuma papa amese has team no efri adomo akwa adomo na obeka kame asa Richmond na yi se has ne kotokwa be match onya kwan en na go push mu enfama has to folk en odi dentia abra answer has en kotoko e go match onya kwan na onye pdm Asia kan enfama has to folk Richmond ai
me call as any kotoko match and war around the and then no injuries akra and President Carbons due to national duties in Tinamini around Intra Oman.
Now we need smart Richmond ai edit to yenim and what in the top crowd sign and yakasai no Kenyan say do baby 11-4 ebetino on be fan senka omra na omeda go push mu and so enfamo mu and so na enyo official on ni so hu yan ne desu yan so bitu no pabi ene ni ache kwasi bro yi kro amona ne no atwa so akwakosi akan so no na dati bia no wa ba bisi akan so ede amari senior soccer team the Blast Stars of Ghana Richmond ai
na en commodity but na official
nti like nka omonso eba ni serious anka yi beko akoda
because clear the adwuma de atons no there say Bibiania wa approach onso nkrofa no mo ye adwuma then commodity mu no bibia tito ya then no move next step.
Okay, are you target ever goalkeeping on anything?
My target is the national team, senior national team. My target is
na Richmond ai actually to enemy.
Yento aso ewa amanani isem no nemu ai yewe no wo na afi baby obiano ye say obetuma be number 1 and so sisi ado number 1 no house of na national teams no o me number 1 nemu like one of the team for now
was it first
na so first no American na say o pass it ai it's more like there yento aso na yenko piemu and so Chelsea the Blues are here obeka na no abra Chelsea and so Champions League nada no against Bobo Quanidin and Valencia and so Stamford Bridge UEFA Champions League no Abranti and Dean and so Ross Barkley say penalty Chelsea Edin Kugo 0-1 Edema Valencia and SMP and a buy Bimose Chelsea and your penalty. I also players outdoor P and I Timmy Bo and Yadiana and Bimu Okaya Okase coach and Dean and Swanny Frank Lampard or Lusu dressing room say own Timimwa and my Chelsea Timin Konka about penalty or in play or bebo and yeah the branch and this is a split quota or not adding SMP Atuga. Say Chelsea dressing room no and ya say boni bia or bibiani or bianim say Chelsea players no mo ko training na omo best penalty taker Brent and Dean any Ross Barkley enti Barkley cover penalty na obot twene ye no omo dressing room no bibia AC nya de say omo problem bia na mom omo coach and Dean Frank Lampard no ono no a best penalty taker ono abra na Brent and Dean Jose Mourinho ono ekochi bobo kwa ndine Chelsea no na penalty beto ho a branch and Dean Frank Lampard na nefa bonti Lampard any player opeso omo ne penalty kick enso enfama no enti se Rock Basley akwa penalty na bo na ade na say a enya ade say aha bibia omo dressing room ho no enya ade say problem bia ho enti obi amfa nto na ti na afei omo nton koso na afei omo nso league match say di omo nim no omo entiment to aso enko branch and Dean Andy Robertson ono so a defender Edma Liverpool na obeka ono kokoye penalty abra Liverpool remo the city of Naples and Napoli ekokoboye ema Napoli twa Liverpool kamienu a Liverpool entumi ante no abranche and Andy Robertson ena amanfo atano Twitter, Facebook and Instagram nya they say abranche ne de ahomate or the ehu akwa communicate say they say amno ka say we're deleting the social media accounts na or say fans Liverpool ni bi asa say threaten no so command cheap penalty and no no second goal by a crown na ne ho bom mu bi abrande ne Virgil van Dijk ebo back pass and anchor no and the Robertson ebetimi ayi ball no e de afri o ehwe ya ama Fernando Llorente ekoko ball no e de to atenema nti and the Robertson say pam no twa no odware an ho mpai nya de say obetimi a srankum bi opokum faninkum enti we deleting the social media accounts na say one Liverpool fans no omini twa kan bia rapper kan so a okobobo e de ama Liverpool nebom one fans no so eni twa kan bia no eni and the Robertson Liverpool defender no someone also edi atubia
ya to ansam so emfama dia na egopi mu enso so ewo efa bato eba so na enra na meka cho se 6 regions na enche yeti ye no ye yi omu afimite RFI hono no enom na meka cho se mpo abrante bako ewo nkranza ni dia ne kofi wayo enso ekosunyan no akwakwode injunction enso edi ato abato no so na wakasa ose yade hano pa se 6 regions no ye yi omu afimu kofi wayo
Minua metia me rehu yi pa because na minim se nka babia nka yaduru ni de na nka football e baba be pega eno ano because you see football e was getting closer to a doorstep of a clubs na ye de isi akan no now over new status e call na congress e call na obi say congress e call na enye congress no mo call minua congress dey call congress ye kokko je mra na dey etum the moment ye be ko akwa je mra tum no aba be dane mra enti mi hu eye congress foforo a ye se ye nko ansa na ya akwa je mra foforo bi ye dey e dey atum because one we guidelines a ye dey kwakoto abayi a article 81.2 if you read the preamble in relation to the new status 2019 ya omkokko ye omo ye dey omugitum any the guidelines are more they or more useful for this election. Now, over the questionnaire on the nomination form, omu kotu questionnaire part 3. Questionnaire part 3 no, questionnaire part 3 part 6. Omu kotu article 23 and article 23. Oko the new status now, about conflict of interest. It is a yen amra yen to the kotu the koko election. And that same right I'm assuming so at the injunction the Ekwakoto RFA elections because one over the new status now article 26 Ekasafa delegates and a votes at Congress. Can say each regional association be represented 16 RFAs no ever represented obi the one delegate and a day and a member. Article 47 of the same constitution and at the same status STT say there shall be what 16 regional RFAs. Yankase 10. 16 it is 16 regional RFAs and a Congress and also on run the administrative aspect of a GFA into the media who based on this evidence I media go e kire say e wo say yes so ye den ye to aba e wo yan regions me kote ya ye say there be sisi offices ne ade nti ye den ye nto e bo ase na ye nkoto 10 na ye den enwe me ma say kam kwa kofa form na me bi say form na me kofa no say me kofa form in the name of which region? Bono region, Bono East, Ana Ahafo. Because for now, okay, the Constitution of Ghana, 1992 Constitution, you need a region be a friend of Bono Ahafo. It is ever to be a me call Congress, I make us a representative region. And you come to me actually contempt. Because many region may represent a Congress also.
Now, when it's Makufu, you as so at a 2 year. You talk to a and only 2 years and ra. Oko court na omocha court eco brick enti nei oram osunya bonten so mo akwa yi to be krata ojiwe pe or the junction so ebeto abato no so Kofi Wayo
ya me ko sunya high court ba me kodu ye no o hwa court eko holiday enti as only one judge pe na hwa around auto to case enti hwa queue ni ade wo ha ate se ntimi antoto ne man yede anwi so I believe say o kina ba ho finalize bibia na ya yede akwa so
nti nyame adoma wo kina obesin akọ
o kina mesin akọ
okay
na we need some Kofi Wayo so etu yeni
okay ya hwa ni mo say Kofi nsam no court the decision ne beba na afi say injunction beba na say injunction ma no ya hwa se na ho se mbesi akọ ba se na nra me kan no me de me ntu Kofi fo se onko ana mane nko court onko abato no so ana mane nko abato no nemu me the Kofi issues now we reason am for him
when they are present
yes
many
Kofi Wayo ya
omo yi 6 regions na film
many Kofi Wayo ya be represent because ultimately can tell me say Bono East Regional Football Association for Sanko Sunyan and I said Bono Regional and I said Ahafo Regional for Sanko Sunyan. Untim kan chem say Savannah for Sanko Tamale Northern and I say Oti for Sanko Volta eno dem me no munya because aban na nkasa Regional Coordinating Council
they say Ghana constitution or
16 regions ti ultimi Sanko mfaye nko back nya be about your time ne
okay now quickly Bono East United weekend omo big game e won quiet so omo enen quiet so Sunday Stars dey ebom nze kon quiet so a ohina o no be di bayre and what on inside Africa 2 teams now I'm secretary dem ma Bono East United na adwu asiako anything komo akasa dia fa match a e kwesere ba so e wo quiet so see no di 2 years
as at now no but for because inquire so hine AD by rare or be inviting go for the break that notwithstanding the team no so there were a lot of people or follow team na or support here in the dark and already said they are coming out to watch the match and I believe say but for the break and I share no ba say o meba be match no be because your team no do yes by enche but we are making a lot of waves in go for the break expect a lot of things from us into said yes here happy match we radio bia kan ya de obi abeso be hwe yen kola no said you must e agronti obi a mehwe mpanifo we bring never team can say match na say na mintimi bobodi because inkofo we bring na ready so mbeba but edi na mintimi bobo say ni pass me say na so bentin neba I think say said we can Bono East United a team o hwe ye din kra e just say a team we are not ready to mess ourselves up and yadi be bia we take a very professional tone ye nyina ye de nim de ne ahoden eboa na ye to ensa freta chima man obi bia odo football all the football people whether say what Chima City we 11 Wonders we Nkranza Warriors and I say anywhere within the Bono East no omombra no mehwe agro ebedina I can assure obi oba hwe ball say but I entia eta match na chi not necessarily say bia ye per match na bo keke start here no most of the teams now omuye trending na Bono East na bo match even to those in the Bono region ye ne before a ball match ye ne Nkranza Warriors so ball match and other few teams around Bimo cry and every Kumasi near the end of friendly match. Now, once a team near trainee, enquire so pack once on a boy most of our matches. Until realizing say cry any more honey the relationship or any crew no war. Na say crew no hene a deep barrier a major festival. And who be here say as part of your relationship or any crew no one. So almost say person and bomb match there. I was saying your TRCNT almost organized have for me team. Person and share. It's a way we are kind of giving back to the society by playing this match with the Inquiry Select side.
Now we need to know
Bruno is for active for quite some time now. Since our football coin or my PR, it's say almost division 2 no qualify about division 1 now for because and bit my say Bruno East region by the only team away no one as a region no but the region the action so as a person ABB nti Mr. Ike champion no ene na bega so and those akumia the
former T20 coach and then our hormone so boy coach there Fuseni so
no former T20 assistant coach
okay take you by because you
just stop that coach to a former
ultra receive your record
stop that
former BBA and you do everything something that cross now and if you're that I'm thanking for
that there some now Abrantian is Xavier and the schools so kind of see Canada and Barcelona Spain national team near the Remo China near their country they say or say Abranti will beat me associating Messi or Barcelona Raheem Sterling or say Raheem Sterling may beat me a bit Messi yeah also 40 the 16 years or could the 18 and the 20 about 21 him the obey into Raheem Sterling and Xavier Tepeno na and the Caseme woman say Obeka FIFA World Best FIFA Best or nominate Virgil van Dijk Cristiano Ronaldo Messi Xavi say say Ronaldo near best player one Messi or see Ronaldo or see under review okay or no fair apparently na Branton in Cristiano Ronaldo and deserve okay
Monday buy the campus I wish I for the sooner be say Yakopon yard my Joanna and person Tibia and person should be in Bebremo I don't pay your fan say and comma Obama Mr. Two Bobo Juma Sanso and an entity also so Bobo Juma and
Obama and Collins
because the Obama dear lose it alone country need and Oko MC also as I one or a heavy brutal also Bobo Juma and paper sound ed long the producers Ayajinkwa any DJ Powers Kibidi any boating Jemfi man of reports my many
yeah very much to offering point say your name on Mudi Agra the Isaiah Obama and Afiela the Lonzi what be the Agro yeah we go na papa nkusa yakra